Hey and welcome in Ticket Reservation project. In this section, we will implement Ticket Reservation project. So by the end of this section, we will have a page in this one. Some person want to do reservation, he enter his name, for example, Ahmed Arubai, and he enter his gender, like male, and he enter a comment like I want for 2 days, okay? Then he clicks submit. When he clicks submit, the message appears, say, hey, record is saved. If someone go to the database and refresh the database, because you will have database, you have name, gender, and you have the reservation comment. So we have database in backend to save all this information. And also there is a button. When he click list, he will see all the reservation that already done. Like for example, he did mail, he wanted for 4 days and everything. So yes, this is what we will done, or what we will do by the end of this section. So let me start video by video.